What do I do if I need help? Raise my hand and do what? Sit quietly until when?
Until the teacher calls me.
What if like 4 people raise their hand before me and I really need help and we only have 20 minutes to work on this and my teacher can't get to me until she gets to those 34 people? What do I do?
Try.
I can try, but what if I really don't know how to do it?
Raise your hand and wait for the teacher.
Okay, but what if I'm on like number 2 out of 10?
No, skip it.
Right. What if I know how to do like 3 through 10 or 3 through 7 and I only need help with 4 of them? I just move ahead and try to do the ones that I know how to do. I am glad to do it. Hampton, Mrs. Montalban is here for you. Yes. Morning. You are a gentleman of Hampton University. You must go with Mrs. Marshall. I forgot it reading. And take whatever is in your mouth out. Let's read all of the information in the diagram together. Because the first thing that we're going to need to do is write a fraction. We're going to have to write a fraction for all of these. And for some of them, we'll get a proper fraction, which is a fraction where the number on the top or the numerator is smaller than the denominator or the number on the bottom. And then for some of them, we'll get an improper fraction. Are you all right? Okay. Okay. So the very top of our page is telling us Kelly, Jose, Jason, and Melanie are sharing one pizza. How much pizza does each person get? A fraction is a number that names equal parts of a whole number or parts of a group. A fraction represents division. What does a fraction represent, class?
Division.
All the time or sometimes? All the time. A fraction always represents division. We don't always have to solve for the fraction or solve like a division problem. We don't always have to do that. But a fraction always represents division. So then it says if 1 is divided into 4 equal parts, 1 part is 1/4. So just like my pie, right? One, 2, 3, 4. This is one whole pie or pizza or whatever you want to call it. This is one whole, right? And it's being divided into 4 equal parts, right? Divided, division, same thing, okay? So 1/4 was the fraction that I used to show that I wanted to share one piece of my pie. This is a fraction, right? This right here is a fraction. 1/4 is a fraction, right? This is the fraction that represents how I divided my pie. Does that make sense? So this fraction, just like every other fraction, is used to show division. Does that make sense in your brain? Okay. So on our paper, Kelly, Jason, Melanie are sharing one whole pizza, right? And the pizza is divided into fourths. 1/4, 2/4, 3/4, 4/4, right? This is one whole pizza. So I'm going to put K for Kelly, J for Jose, J for Jason, M for Melanie, right? So if I need to write a fraction to represent how much pizza Kelly, Jose, Jason, and Melanie will get, they'll get 1/4 of the whole pizza, right? Because we have 4 slices and we're sharing with 4 people. So everybody will get 1 slice. We have 4 slices, right? That's 1/4. So this is the fraction that represents how much pizza they'll get, right? So this is the example at the top, okay? Well, now when we look at number 1, it wants us to do the exact same thing. It says, at a picnic, there are 3 pieces of fruit for 4 people. How many pieces of fruit will each person get? Well, this is my slice. This is my pizza. So the exact same way, this is my fruit. These are my people. 3/4 is the answer, because 3/4 is the fraction that shows how the fruit has to be divided. Does that make sense? 1/4 was the fraction that showed how the pizza had to be divided. Does this make sense to everyone? So now for number 1, it's showing us that 3/4 is the fraction that shows how the fruit would have to be divided. Does that make sense? Okay, so continue to learn. Where'd they go? So what do we have to do? We're gonna go find it, right? This first one. Yeah. Did you use one for this one? You want to hear me? Okay. Yeah, what was our time? What is it? It's a can, but what is it? What is it? Is it an actual can or is it a picture of a can? Pictograph, right? Pictograph is a glass that has what it is. That's what it is. So then, the author does a Why was the